In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on Microsoft Teams. This is a very quick and useful skill to know, especially if you want to save something important from a chat, meeting, shared file, or any information visible on your screen while using Teams. Taking a screenshot can help you keep a visual record, share information with someone else, or refer back to something later without needing to search for it again. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your device. Make sure you're on the exact screen you want to capture before taking the screenshot. For example, this could be a conversation, a meeting window, a channel post, or a document preview inside Teams. It's a good idea to pause for a moment and check that everything you want included is clearly visible on the screen. At the same time, be careful to avoid capturing any private or sensitive information if you plan to share the image later. Once Microsoft Teams is open and your screen is ready, press the print screen key on your keyboard. On many keyboards, this key may be labeled as print screen, PRTSC, or something similar. Pressing it captures what is currently displayed on your screen. If nothing seems to happen right away, that's normal. In many cases, the screenshot is copied silently so you can paste it into another app, such as a document, image editor, chat, or email. If you're following along, this is the main action you need to complete the screenshot process shown here. After pressing the key, you can continue with whatever you need to do next on your computer, whether that's saving the image, pasting it somewhere, or simply keeping it ready on your clipboard for immediate use. A helpful tip is to make sure your Teams window is tidy before you capture the image. Close anything unnecessary and try to position the content neatly so your screenshot is easy to read. This makes it much more useful later, especially if you're saving it for work, support, or documentation purposes. And that's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Teams, go to the screen you want, and press the print screen key on your keyboard. It's a simple method, but it can save time and make it much easier to capture important information when you need it.